Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the DISH POS app. In this tutorial, we guide you through the login and logout process. Note, if you have an NFC device, you also can log in with a corresponding NFC card. At the login screen, simply add the user's login code by using the input field. Once you enter the credentials, the login button appears. Tap on the login to access the app. After your first login of the day, you always have to select a drawer for the shift. To do so, set the respective checkmark for the drawer you want to use. Note, even if there is no physical drawer, you need to select one to start the shift. After selecting a drawer, tap on OK to confirm your choice. Once you are finished with your shift, you want to log out. To do so, open the menu first. Once the menu expanded, scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Log Out to disconnect from the app. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know the process of logging in and out.